How to fix Snapchat support code SS06. So you might be in the position where you try to log into your account, but you land on this interface where it says that your Snapchat account has been temporarily disabled. Well, if you are facing the same issue, then what you want to do is first of all head over to your Play Store. In the source bar, search for Snapchat. Move into this app. Right here you can see the option of update, which means that your application is not up to date. So it might be one of the reasons that you are facing the issue on Snapchat. In this case, all you want to do is tap on update and update your application to the latest version. Once your application has been updated, now the next thing you want to do is head over to your settings. Move into apps. Tap on see all apps. Right here search for the application Snapchat and then head over to it. Move into permission. Right here you need to make sure that you have given the permission of location. You need to set the settings to allow only while using the app. Now the next thing you want to do is go back and head over to storage and cache. You need to clear the cache and the storage of this application. Clearing the cache and storage will remove all of the unwanted bugs from the application, and it might also fix the issue that you have been facing on Snapchat, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all, and this was a tutorial video on how to fix Snapchat support code SS06. I really hope this video is going to be helpful. Thank you for staying with us till the end.